Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety. Park on level ground, engine off, parking brake set, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Put on gloves to avoid oils on the bulb. Open the hood, move aside any obstructing covers, air intake, or wheel well panel, using a 10 mm socket if needed. Once you have clear access to the headlight rear, you can see the bulb housing and the wiring connector that you'll now prepare to remove. You'll next detach the wiring connector by squeezing the tab and pulling it straight off. Sometimes a small twist helps free a stuck connector. Reach into the housing, twist the bulb counterclockwise, and pull it free. Handle the new 9005 bulb by its base, do not touch the glass, and insert it, aligning the locator tabs, then twist clockwise until it seats and locks. Once locked, reconnect the wiring connector and replace any covers or panels you removed to restore clearance. After installation, reconnect the negative battery terminal and start the car to test the low and high beams. Make sure the new bulb operates correctly and the beam pattern looks right. If the aim is off, make adjustments using the headlight adjustment screws per the owner manual so the cutoff is even. This ensures safe illumination. If the bulb does not light, inspect the fuse, wiring connector pins for corrosion, and swap with the other side's bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.